How to use a notification area and peak button for Windows 10. This video describes the notification area or system tray and the peak button. The peak function was only available in Windows 7 when using Aero desktop themes. It is always available in Windows 10 and can be enabled or disabled. You are watching a Tom's Tech Notes video. If you like this video, please wait until you are finished watching it, then click my name, Thomas Wallace, to visit my channel page. A welcome video will play to describe my other videos. For this demo, I'm recording the lower right quarter of the desktop. The notification area is in the right half of the Windows taskbar. The taskbar is by default at the bottom edge of the desktop, but can be dragged to any other edge. The notification area, also called the system tray, displays icons for some system functions, certain programs, and the date-time display. Clicking the caret displays additional icons. This is the icon to safely disconnect USB devices connected to your computer. It looks like a USB connector. Some, but not all, USB devices can also be disconnected by right-clicking their shortcuts and selecting Eject. Icons can be left-clicked or right-clicked to display pop-up lists or control windows for the programs. This is the icon for my security program, Norton 360. If I left-click it, I get the control window for Norton 360. If I right-click it, I get a pop-up list of options available for the Norton program. Windows 7 had a customized button that appeared on this window. That button could cause some problems if you deleted some of the icons from the system tray. That feature is no longer available in Windows 10. The time display is at the right end of the notification area. You can click it if you want to change the format being displayed for the time. To change the format, click Date and Time Settings. You have a lot of options you can change. I normally set the time automatically whenever I turn the computer on from the Internet Time Service. You can set your time zone, you can adjust for daylight saving times automatically, and you have a choice of how you want the date and time to be displayed at the lower right end of the taskbar. Next is the peak button. The peak button is small and is at the extreme right end of the taskbar. In Windows 7, this button was called the Show Desktop button. When the peak feature is enabled for this button, hovering over the button turns all Open Windows transparent so you can see or peek at the icons on the desktop. The peak feature was available in Windows 7 only when an Aero desktop theme was used. It is always available in Windows 10. I normally disable peak to prevent accidentally hiding windows when I move the cursor. Here's how to enable or disable peak. You right-click on the taskbar, select Properties. You enable peak by checking this box that says Use peak to preview the desktop when you move your mouse to the Show Desktop button. Remember, you're hovering the mouse over the button. You don't have to click it. So I will go ahead and enable that feature, and then I'll click OK at the bottom to close the window and enable the feature. Now, to demonstrate it, I'll move a couple of icons into the recording area, and I'll move a couple of open windows into the recording area. Watch what happens when I hover the mouse over the peak button. All open windows turn transparent so you can see or peek at the desktop. Moving the cursor off the button brings them back. You can also click the button, and when you click it, it minimizes all open windows to the taskbar, so they'll appear on the taskbar. Clicking it again will restore them to their previous size and location. This clicking action on the peak button replaces the Windows 7 Show Desktop button. For multiple monitor systems, all these peak and Show Desktop features apply to all monitors that are configured for the system. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, please click my name, Thomas Wallace, to visit my channel page to watch my other videos.